Well, hello, dudes and dudettes, and I want to show you how to track some military aircraft in flight radar. So we're in flightradar24.com, as you can see, and this right here, my friends, is a Q4 Reaper. And guess what he's doing? He's flying over the Black Sea and observing the Russian Navy as they attack the Ukraine. Yeah, some nasty stuff here, you see, because this is the Ukraine, and the Russian Navy is down here around the Crimea or the Krim, and they're using their version of the Tomahawk missiles. It's called the Caliber, and they're firing them from here inland. And our United States RQ-4 Reaper is observing them. And if you want to track stuff like this in flight radar, what you do is you go to filters here,